AI is evolving at a massive speed. Right now, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alibaba are locked in a high-stakes race to dominate artificial intelligence. From powering generative AI models to transforming industries, these companies are shaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. But who is really leading the charge? Nvidia, leader in AI hardware, builds the GPUs powering everything from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. Google, the AI pioneer, integrates artificial intelligence across its entire ecosystem, from search engines to YouTube. And Microsoft, with its massive cloud infrastructure and deep partnership with OpenAI, is embedding AI into enterprise and productivity tools. Amazon, the e-commerce and cloud giant, has made AI the backbone of its services. Alibaba is pushing AI innovation in China and beyond with its own large-scale models. Each company has a unique approach, but together they are accelerating AI's evolution at an unprecedented pace. At the heart of Nvidia's AI dominance is its Blackwell architecture, featuring the B100 and B200 GPUs, manufactured using TSMC's 4np 5nm process. These GPUs introduce a dual die design with 208 billion transistors, more than 2.5 times more powerful than the previous generation. The NVLink 5 enables 1.8 TB's GPU to GPU bandwidth, essential for scaling AI models across multiple chips. Nvidia's second-generation transformer engine significantly improves the training and interface of AI models, supporting 10 trillion parameter architectures. While Nvidia dominates AI hardware, its biggest challenge is cost. GPUs are expensive and power-hungry, making them inaccessible to many businesses. Google, on the other hand, is pushing AI innovation with its latest model, Gemma 3, designed for single GPU system. Gemma 3 supports over 35 languages, process text, images and videos, and outperforms model from OpenAI, Meta, and DeepSeek on comparable hardware. Google's AI's effort go beyond models. Its tensor processing units, TPUs, are custom AI chips optimized for deep learning, significantly improving efficiency compared to traditional GPUs. Unlike Nvidia, which provides AI hardware for the entire industry, Google primarily builds AI for its own ecosystem, powering products like search engine, YouTube, and Google Cloud. Microsoft is taking a different approach by integrating AI across its entire software and cloud ecosystem. Its Azure AI platform provides businesses with access to AI tools without expensive hardware. Through its partnership with OpenAI, Microsoft has embedded AI directly into Office 365, Teams, and Visual Studio, making AI everyday tool for productivity. Copilot, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4, is transforming how users interact with Word, Excel, and Outlook. Microsoft's goal is to make AI a seamless part of work and life, leveraging its cloud infrastructure to scale AI adoption faster than anyone else. Amazon, a global leader in cloud computing and e-commerce, has made AI backbone of its business. Amazon Web Services, AWS, offering SageMaker, a machine learning platform that helps developers train and deploy AI models at scale. Alexa, Amazon's AI-powered voice assistant, has revolutionized smart home technology, showcasing companies' strength in natural language processing. Beyond consumer AI, Amazon uses AI-driven recommendation algorithms that personalize shopping experiences, optimize logistics, and enhance customer service through AI chatbots. Alibaba, China's AI powerhouse, is rapidly advancing in the AI sector. Its AI research division, Qwen, has developed QWQ32B, a 32 billion parameter AI model that rivals top AI system in performance. This model powers Qwen Chat, Alibaba's AI chatbot, which competes with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard. Alibaba's AI innovation extend to smart retail, logistics, and cloud computing. AI making a crucial part of its business strategy. So who is winning the AI war? Nvidia leads in raw hardware power, Google dominates AI model innovation, Microsoft is making AI widely accessible, Amazon is integrating AI into everyday services, and Alibaba is driving AI adoption across Asia. The reality is that all of them are shaping the future in different ways. AI is no longer a distant concept. It's here evolving in real time. And these companies are deciding how it will reshape our world. The AI race isn't slowing down, and every breakthrough from Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alibaba is bringing us closer to a world where AI is embedded into every aspect of our lives. Which company do you think is leading the charge? Let's discuss in the comments.